Hi, everyone. Welcome to this video from Career Curators on how to find and seize new opportunities for learning and advancement. In this video, I'll share with you some tips and tricks on how to keep growing and improving yourself in any field or area of interest. Are you ready? The first tip is to be curious. Can anyone tell me what curiosity means?
Curiosity means wanting to know more about something.
That's right. Curiosity is the fuel of learning. It makes you want to explore new things, ask questions, and discover new answers. Curiosity also helps you to overcome fear and boredom, which can sometimes stop you from trying new things. So, how can you be more curious?
Maybe we can read books, watch videos, listen to podcasts, or play games that are related to our topic of interest.
Exactly. You can also ask yourself what-if questions, such as what if I could fly? Or what if I could invent something? These questions can spark your imagination and creativity.
That sounds fun. The second tip is to be open-minded. Do you know what open-mindedness means?
Open-mindedness means being willing to listen to other people's ideas and opinions.
Open-mindedness helps you to learn from others, avoid biases, and expand your horizons. How can you be more open-minded? Maybe we can listen to people who have different opinions or experiences from us and try to understand their point of view. That's a good way to be more open-minded. You can also try new things that are outside your comfort zone, such as learning a new language, trying a new cuisine, or visiting a new place.
The third tip is to be proactive. Do you know what proactivity means? Do you know what proactivity means?
Proactivity means taking action and initiative.
Proactivity is the ability to take action and initiative, rather than waiting for things to happen.
The fourth and final tip is to be persistent. Do you know what persistence means? Persistence means not giving up and overcoming challenges. Persistence is the ability to keep going and overcome challenges, even when things get hard or frustrating. Persistence helps you to achieve your goals, learn from your mistakes, and grow stronger. These are the 4 tips that I have for you today on how to find and seize new opportunities for learning and advancement. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something useful. Remember, learning is a lifelong journey that never ends. So keep being curious, open-minded, proactive, and persistent, and you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Thanks for watching. You can learn more on Career Curators' website. Do connect with us.